Okay, dear students, now we are back to our new session of geography. So, last session we had learned something about lines of latitude. Now, main latitude. Now we are going to learn of main latitude. So, first of all, you have to come to know one thing, that is what? There are 181 parallels of latitude. How many? There are 181 parallels of latitude. Now let us see what is a latitude. Latitude we can say so, these lines, this line, that is equator, and again one line here, this also next latitude, another latitude is this one, like this equal interval, these lines goes on top as well as bottom. This part, I mean 0 degree, what is it? That is equator. Top of 0 degree we can say so, northern hemisphere. Bottom of 0 degree, what we can say so, southern hemisphere. What do you mean by hemisphere? Hemi means half, half sphere, okay, half of the earth. Now how many? Total number is 181 parallels are there. So each parallel are there for 1 degree interval. Each parallel have a 1 degree interval between this one. How many? 1 degree interval. So, main latitudes. Now we are going to learn about main latitude. First one, let us see North Pole. First one is equator. Equator is the longest line of latitude. Longest circle, largest circle as well as the longest line of the latitude. It represents of 0 degree latitude. How many? What about the degree of equator? That is of 0 degree. Then go to next one, that is a North Pole. North Pole have on top, when we say this is Earth, suppose you see this is a North Pole and this one is a South Pole and this one is a equator, okay, and by that what we can say so, it's of North Pole is of angular distance of 90 degree, 90 angular distance, like this, 90 degree, this one, okay, 90 degree. So 90 degree of north, so this place will be North Pole. And now let us see, that is a same way South Pole. South Pole also we can have, like this, equator 90 degree or to this 90 degree. And here is South Pole, okay. And next one, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer, that is a 23.5 degree. Tropic of Cancer, that is equator, then here one line, this is 23.5 degree, 23.5. Same way here also we will have this is 23.5. This one is north as well as this one is south. And so Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Cancer is this one, Tropic of Cancer is this one, northern side. Then Tropic of Capricorn is this one, that is a southern side, okay. And now I think you people understood it. And now let us go Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle we can have two lines, same type Arctic Circle. There are Earth, then equator, then 60, 66 and a half, 66 and half north. Same here too we can find 66 and a half south. And this one, both Arctic Circle, one is a 66 and a north as well as 66 and a south. And these are what is it? Main latitudes. These are main latitudes. And the northern and southern hemisphere, already I said to you what do you mean by hemisphere. The earth is divided by two, by equator, and this part is known as northern hemisphere and this part is known as southern hemisphere. That means first top half as well as bottom half. Then northern hemisphere, when we think of a northern hemisphere, we have to understand that this northern hemisphere is known as land hemisphere. Okay, this is known as a land hemisphere, because most of the continents are here. In which part? In the northern part. And in southern part there are less continents. So we are not saying this is known as a water hemisphere. Water hemisphere, first one is a land hemisphere, another one is a water hemisphere. And now another one, very important one, when you are learning first about latitude, each latitude have the distance of 1 degree, and 1 degree is distance in kilometer. If we are calculating 111 kilometer, 111 kilometer, 111 kg, no, km, 111 km, kilometer. Okay. And now let us go to the uses of latitude. There are today to find location of a place. To find location of a place, we use which one? Latitude. Suppose this one is Earth, then we can say so 0 degree. Then after that 1 degree another latitude. Then another latitude 1. And what will do it? Then suppose when we think of Delhi, Delhi have how many? 30 degree north. And what about Mumbai? 19 degree north. Mumbai is 19 degree north and Delhi is 30 degree north. Okay. And now we can calculate by using this number. How it is 19 into 111 is equal to, that will be the kilometer from equator to Mumbai. And what about Delhi? 19 into 30, that is the distance from equator to Delhi. And these are all the things you have to keep it in your mind. So I have published first part of a question answer of first lesson in last session of first chapter. So you have to go through it and make a note and make a copy. Compulsorily I am telling to you, make it a copy and submit to me. So have a nice day, students. Thank you.